Sairam students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Are doing
Yes,
good at home.
yes,
Yes?
ma'am. Saira, ma'am, we are fine.
Yes. Very good. Great to hear that. So are you ready for today's English class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So we were discussing home zoo manners. I hope you have learnt it. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Please write the poem in your notebook also. So it will give you a writing practice. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
today we shall begin our class with three Omkaram. Sit straight and join your hands. Sairam. Okay. So today we are going to have question answers. Okay. So we'll discuss some exercises and question answers of the poem. So let me present my screen for that. Just wait for a moment. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am, I can see.
Okay. So, yes, we were discussing the poem Zoo Manners. One more thing, children, I wanted to tell you that as we have not done drawing from so many days, yes, so today in this poem you can draw a beautiful zoo. Okay, and in that zoo you can have a look of this and take idea from this picture, right? And you can make a zoo, board of zoo, and you can make some trees, some animals, whatever animals you like, wish to draw, you can draw it and color it. Make
बट मैम
beautiful.
जू में तो एनिमल्स केज में रहते हैं, यहाँ पर तो केज नहीं है, सारे एनिमल्स भाग जाएंगे.
हाँ, यहाँ पर नहीं है बट दिस इज इमेजिनरी, जस्ट ऐसे इमेजिन किया हुआ है ना? तो आप भी ऐसे ही कुछ इमेजिनरी कलरफुल अच्छा सा बना सकते हो. ठीक है?
यस मैम.
ये फोटो खिंचाने आए बाहर गेट के, जैसे हम अपनी क्लास वाइज फोटो खिंचाते हैं ना, वैसे ही ऐसा लग रहा है देख के. ओके, सो यस, टुडे विल डिस्कस सम क्वेश्चंस, देन विल do writing also and some exercise also. So first question, what do you see at the zoo? So you tell me, what do you see in the zoo?
मैम वी सी एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स.
Yes, we see many animals and birds in the zoo. Very good. And next is, what does the camel have on its back? We discussed in the poem.
मैम कैमल हैज हम इन इट्स ऑन इट्स बैक.
Yes, camel has hump. Yes, a round bump kind of structure that is called hump, and camel feel very proud of it and calls it noble bump. Right? Okay. Now we have few questions for discussion also. Have you been to a zoo? Have you ever been in a zoo, to any zoo?
यस मैम. यस मैम.
Yes. So we will. I want you to write this answer on your own. Actually, I have some format also in the next slide. But here, what you should mention, you can write yes or no first. Okay. Yes, I have been to a zoo, or you can write no, I have never been to a zoo. But when if you have been, so you can write at which period, right? Suppose I was at 4 year old. I was 4 year old, or I was in UKG class, whatever you remember, right? Mention a time also, or 2 years back. Okay, right?
यस
Next
मैम.
question. Name the animals which you have seen in a zoo. So, any animal you can name, whatever you have seen, and
यस
say the
मैम.
name in your own language and then in English. So, whatever language, whatever your mother tongue, you should know the names of that animal, and what you have to write, then you have to say in English also, and write in English, of course, in the notebook. But you should know both the names, Hindi or English, or whatever your language is. Okay.
Yes,
Suppose
ma'am.
you speak Marathi, so Marathi, what do we call tiger in Marathi, or lion in Marathi, or monkey in Marathi, or anything Bengali, whatever. Okay, or
Okay.
Hindi. Next question: name the animal you like the most. Why? So, which animal you liked it very much, and why you liked it? So, reason also a small reason you can just write, okay, and you have to write any animal name which you like the most. Next question: did you feed any animals at the zoo? Should we tease animals? So first question is, if you have given something eatable to animals, कुछ खाने के लिए दिया आपने क्या जू में किसी एनिमल को, वैसे तो स्ट्रिक्टली मना होता है आपको कुछ नहीं देना, बट समटाइम्स कभी कभी हम कुछ खा रहे होते हैं, सपोज वी हैव सम snacks or something to eat, like zoo is very big place, right? If we
Yes,
have,
ma'am.
you have been in a bigger zoo, so we take time, we need energy also, so we eat something, and sometimes if nobody is watching, we feed also to some animals, right? So have you
Yes,
ever done this that you can mention? And should we tease animals? क्या हमें एनिमल्स को चिढ़ाना चाहिए? टीज मतलब चिढ़ाना. So हमने इस
no,
पोएम में
ma'am.
सीखा है कि no, we should not tease, we should not put any bad remarks to animals, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's see what is this. Let's listen. Listen and put a tick against the words that the teacher says. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
It, add, think, thank, fun, fan, much, match, well, wall. So what your teacher says, whatever words she use, so you have to put tick marks. So this you can do it on your own. Okay. Let's see the question answer. Okay. So first question we have already discussed, children. So answer is like this. Question was, what do you see at the zoo? You can write, we see many animals and birds at the zoo. Okay.
Yes,
Second question, what does the camel have on its back? So yes, you have given correct answer. The camel has the hump on its back. Right?
yes,
Hump you know now?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Let's see the third one. Have you been to a zoo? So these were for discussion, children. But we'll do in writing also. We'll have a writing practice also. So yes or no. That is up to you. अगर आप कभी zoo में गए हैं, then you will write yes. If you have never been, then you can write no here. Right? It's optional.
Yes,
It's right. Yes, I have been to a zoo when I was dash years. So you can write 5 years, 3 years, 2 years, or you can replace this part and you can write 2 years back also. So you can write your age. You asked your parents, they must be able to tell you, then you can write your age. Okay?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next question is, name the animals which you have seen in a zoo, right? Say the names in your own language and then in English. We have discussed this question. I have given a hint for you. You can write your own answers also. Yes, so I have written, I have seen tiger, lion, giraffe, elephant, and monkey in the zoo. You can write your own answer. Whatever animal you have seen, that you can write. Okay,
Ma'am,
it's not
birds also.
birds also you can see. Crocodile also you must have seen,
Yes,
right?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Chimpanzee, giraffe, it's written
Snake.
already. तो आपने जो जो देखा आप उसका नाम लिखिए. मैम ने जो लिखा है वो जरूरी नहीं है. दिस इज फॉर योर हेल्प. ओके, आपको एक क्लू हिंट देने के लिए कि आप इस तरह लिख सकते हो. ओके. And second part is here, say the names in your own language and then in English. Okay? So this we have discussed already. Next is question number 5. Name the animal you like the most and why. तो आपको कौन सा एनिमल बहुत अच्छा लगा? I have already mentioned here I liked monkey the most. You can write anything. I have underlined it because it's optional. You can write any other animal name also. जो भी आपको अच्छा लगा हो. Whatever you liked most. Okay. So And why you liked? Here it is written why. Why means क्यों आपको अच्छा लगा. So you can give any simple reason, but reason तो आपको खुद देना अपना, ठीक है? So I have written for monkey because it can act exactly like me. As I was doing, he was also making. He was also doing like that. ऐसे ऐसे मैं कर वो भी ऐसे ऐसे कर रहा था. So he was copying me. Okay. He was copying me when I was dancing. He too danced in the same way. You must have seen monkey. Usually they copy us, right? If
यस
we
मैम,
show
नकल
our
करते हैं.
teacher, हाँ तो वो भी अपना दांत दिखाते हैं. ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं तो वो भी करते हैं, है ना?
यस
So
मैम.
you can pick your own animal, favorite animal, whatever you like the most, and reason. Okay.
यस
Let's
मैम.
see. We have a visit to my village. Okay, we have some fill in the blanks, and this is a visit to somebody's village. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Helping box is given here, you can see with the orange color. And options are here: horses, hay, village, pond, cat, grandmother, dogs, cow, milk, cock, kitten, kittens, and hen. Can you see here?
यस
Okay.
मैम.
It is legible, no? You can read it. दिख रहा है आपको अच्छे से?
यस मैम.
Okay. Yes. So first is in June we went to a dash. So we have picture also as a clue. So where
मैम
we went?
विलेज.
Village. First option is already here. You can see.
यस
Yeah,
मैम.
this is village. It's here. It's a village. What is the spelling of village? Can you read from it?
यस मैम. VILLAGE. विलेज.
Yes, very good. VILLAGE, village, right? So village मतलब गांव. ये छोटा सा एक village दिख रहा है आपको यहाँ पे. Where my dash lives. Who is this?
मैम
Looking an old.
ग्रैंडमदर.
Yes. So where the grandmother is? Here it is.
मैम.
Grandmother. Number
यस
two,
मैम.
right? So
यस.
where my grandmother lives. She has a farm. Farm means a big land where we can grow crops, vegetables, flowers, fruits, anything.
यस
Okay.
मैम.
Agriculture we use the land. Okay. On her farm, there are many animals. There are two dash. So what
मैम
they are?
हॉर्सेस. हॉर्सेस.
Horses. So it's here. Horses is here. Yes. Number three. So we'll write here horses. A dash. What is this?
कैट.
That very easy. No need to get any clue. Yes. With its dash. So cat के क्या है ये?
किटेंस. किटेंस.
Yeah, beauty of cats, kittens. So where the spelling is kittens? Can you tell me the spelling of kittens?
यस मैम. यहाँ पे KITTENS. किटेंस.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So next three dash. So what they are three?
मैम डॉग्स.
Dogs. So you know the spelling of dogs, right?
यस मैम.
Yes, dogs. Three dogs. One dash. What is this?
मैम hen.
No, it's not hen. Yeah, it's hen only. This is something else, right? So one hen. Where it is? It is here.
यस मैम.
One hen. As well as a
मैम ये तो मुर्गा है.
so what we say, Murga?
मैम कॉक.
Cock. Yes. So as well as a cock and a
काउ.
and how it sounds, cow sounds like, do you know how cow sounds?
मैम move.
Oh yes, so it's a cow here. Every morning she feeds her animals with
मैम hay.
hay. What is hay?
मैम
Spelling is H-A-Y. Spelling is
hay.
H-A-Y. What does it mean?
मैम सूखे घास.
Yes, dry
Yes, ma'am.
grasses, है ना? Dry grasses. Yes, we use as a food too for animals, right?
Yes.
Or what is this?
Ma'am, this is milk.
Yes, milk. So who will drink milk?
Ma'am,
Who
cat.
will have milk?
Cat and
Cat
dog.
will have. Cow baby calf will have. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. They drink water from a dash on the farm. What is this?
Ma'am, pond.
Pond. So it's a small water body. Pond is a small water body where these animals have water.
Yes.
Yes. So we have done it. All the answers you have given correct. Well done. Good.
Thank you,
Clap
ma'am.
for you. Yes. Now let's see what we have. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. See, children, this was also there from your textbook. You can do it in your textbook, right? And this is also from the textbook.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. Now again we have pictures of animals as if this poem is related to animals only. So all the activities are related to animals, right? So we
Yes.
have to identify these animals and we have to fill the spellings. We have to write the complete spelling. So this will be first will be it will start with L.
Yes, ma'am. Lion. Lion.
Lion. Lion.
O-N.
Very good.
Yes.
Now next is Ti.
Ma'am, tiger. Tiger.
Very good. Tiger. Okay. Okay. Yes. Thoda sa this G is looking very bad, but you have to make it proper. Okay. Next is
ये
W
क्या
dash dash F.
क्या है ये मैम?
Wolf.
Wolf.
Yes. So WOLF. Now next
Yes,
is
ma'am.
D
Ma'am,
dash
deer.
dash. Yes. Deer. Very good. You have identified. Now next. Now I'm not going to write because it's coming very bad. Okay.
Ma'am,
Next
ये
is
jackal. Jackal.
jackal. Jackal.
Yes.
What is the spelling? Do you know?
No, ma'am.
Jackal.
Yes, ma'am.
Jackal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is an
Ma'am, owl.
owl. Yeah, big eyes you can see.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
owl. Okay. Now next is MO dash dash dash. You can
Ma'am,
see the picture.
monkey.
Monkey. Very good. Now next is who is dancing here? B
Ma'am,
dash
bear.
dash.
Bear.
Bear.
Ma'am, bhalu.
Yes. Now next is
ये
CH dash dash.
ये chimpanzee, ma'am.
Chimpanzee. Very good. It also looks like monkey, but it has no tail, right? Chimpanzee. Next is
Ma'am, ये giraffe.
yes, giraffe. What is the spelling of giraffe? Tell me.
Ma'am, Giraffe.
Very
Giraffe.
good. Very good. Okay. So we have answers in the next page, so don't worry. Okay, I'm not going to write these. Okay, let's discuss this one. Let's make the noises that animals make. Okay, so we have to, what we have to do? Animal sound. We have to produce, we have to try to copy them. Okay, their sounds. So roar like a lion. How lion roar? कैसे जो शेर होता है रोर मीन्स दहाड़ना
Karna.
है ना
Yes,
जोर से
ma'am.
लायन जो होता है कैसे जोर से दहाड़ता है ना तो
Yes.
दैट इज कॉल्ड रोरिंग ऑफ लायन सो हाउ इट डज इवन आई डोंट नो बहुत जोर से आवाज आती है ओके लेट्स सी बार्क लाइक अ डॉग this we can do because often we see often भाव
हाँ.
भाव भाव
Oh, oh.
भाव Yes. Knee like a horse. Horse कैसे sound करता है? Knee. Okay. Moo like a cow. Moo. Moo. Right? Quack like a duck. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Chirp like a sparrow. So how bird chirps? Chee, 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 chee. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bleat like a goat.
बकरी
मैं.
में.
Yes. कैसे बोलती हूँ मैं?
Hmm.
Okay. Chatter like a monkey. पता नहीं कैसे चैटर करता है बट ऐसे ही कुछ साउंड आता है ना.
Yeah.
Okay. Grunt like a pig. So this is again a sound produced by pig.
Yes.
And hiss like a snake.
Yes. Yes,
So
ma'am.
these all sounds you can just see in YouTube or Google, browse it and listen it and try to copy them. Okay,
Yes,
it will
ma'am.
be a fun activity, right? Now
Yes.
we have one more. Join the dots, complete the name of the animal. So you can see animal kind of thing here. Dots
Yes.
are there. Now you have to join them, right?
Yes.
And you have to write the name. Can you identify the animal?
No, ma'am. ये क्या है, ma'am?
ये डायनासोर है. Have you ever seen any movie or TV somewhere?
नहीं, ma'am. नहीं देख.
Have you seen Jurassic Park movie?
नहीं, ma'am.
अच्छा ठीक है, तो आप संडे को मम्मी को बोलना, आपको दिखाएगी. ठीक है, because it's a nice beautiful movie and I'm sure that you will like it. So spelling will be DINO, dino, S
मैम ये
A
कहाँ पे मिलता है?
U डायनासोर. ये नहीं मिलता अभी, ये बहुत पहले अर्थ पे पाया जाता था बट अभी एक्सटिंक्ट हो गया, मतलब कि अब इसकी स्पीशीज नहीं बची है. ठीक है, सो इट्स नॉट नाउ, वी कैन नॉट सी इट एनीवेयर इन एनी एनी वर्ल्ड और एनी अर्थ पे ही नहीं मिलता अभी ये. तो एक्सटिंक्ट हो जाना बोलते हैं इसको, मतलब कि विलुप्त हो जाना हिंदी में, और अब नहीं मिलता इसका मतलब. ठीक है, तो
बहुत
बहुत
पहले.
पहले इसकी स्पीशीज थी. इट्स अ वेरी जाइंट ह्यूज एनिमल. आप इसकी मूवी देखना, आपको बहुत मजा आएगा. ठीक है,
Okay,
एंड
ma'am.
देन यू विल गेट टू लर्न अबाउट दिस एनिमल, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these are the answers, children. Lion, wolf, jackal,
Yes, ma'am.
monkey, chimpanzee, giraffe, tiger, deer, owl, and bear. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this was from today's class, children. Hope you liked the class.
Yes, ma'am. बहुत मजा आया.
And I wish and I believe that you are going to make a beautiful zoo. Okay, whenever you get time, not today, but whenever you wish to draw, but related to this lesson only. So better to do with this poem only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
फिर आप next lesson में पहुंच जाओ और फिर तब करो, right? So
Yes.
that was from today's class, children. Hope you liked it. Any doubt, any question do you have?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so at the end we'll do Shanti Part. Join your hands.
Yes, ma'am.
Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram, children.
Sai Ram, ma'am.
Take good care of yourself. See you in the next video, next class.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.